this. Tripping in the world could be dangerous. Everybody circling as vultures. Negative, nepotist. Everybody waiting for the fall of man. Everybody praying for the end of times. Everybody hoping they could be the one. I was born to run, I was born for this. Whip, pull me like a racehorse. Pull me like a ripcord. Break me down and build me up. I wanna be the slip. Word up on your lip. Better that you rip. Break me down and build me up. Whatever it takes. Cause I love the adrenaline in my veins. I do whatever it takes. Cause I love how it feels when I break the chains. Whatever it takes. Yeah, take me to the top. I'm ready for whatever it takes. Cause I love the adrenaline in my veins. So do what it takes. Gotta feel cool. Looking at my body feeling miserable. Always hanging on to the visual. I wanna be invisible. Look at my years like I'm out of done. Everybody needs to be a part of them. Never be enough from the prodigal son. I was born to run, I was born for this. Whip, pull me like a racehorse. Pull me like a ripcord. Break me down and build me up. I wanna be the slip. Word up on your lip. Better that you rip. Break me down and build me up. Whatever it takes. Cause I love the adrenaline in my veins. I do whatever it takes. Cause I love how it feels when I break the chains. Whatever it takes. Yeah, take me to the top. I'm ready for whatever it takes. Cause I love the adrenaline in my veins. So do what it takes. Critical, lead it just to go. Wanna be the parenthetical, hypothetical. Working on to something that I'm proud of. Out of the box, an epoxy to the world. And the vision we've lost, I'm an apostrophe. I'm just a symbol to remind you that there's more to see. I'm just a product of the system of catastrophe. And yet a masterpiece, and yet I'm half deceased. And then I am deceased. At least I go down to the grave and die happily. And leave the body and the soul to be a part of me. I'll do what it takes. Whatever it takes. Cause I love the adrenaline in my veins. I do whatever it takes. Cause I love how it feels when I break the chains. Whatever it takes. Yeah, take me to the top. I'm ready for whatever it takes. Cause I love the adrenaline in my veins. So do what it takes.
It's funny how we go to banging just from drinking tea. These days all you need is Tinder, find me and no weed. Fuck them sweet words, just give me the D. Give me the fucking 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 D.